Hi everyone, welcome to Tuesdays with Gail with me, Gail. Welcome to today. I have this wonderful person here with me, Miss Brie Luna. She is an attorney in real estate. She does focus on real estate. She does some other fields in law as well. So we're just going to talk a little bit about what she does, and then from there, if you have any questions while we are live, you can ask them. I will be publishing this video afterwards, so if you have any questions after it's published, please just ask them away in the comment section below. So with that being said, we'll go ahead and start talking to Miss Luna. So tell us a little bit about your law practice.
Well, hello, thank you for having us. Welcome. And basically, our practice is a law firm that represents companies as well as individuals with any types of legal matters that they have. We like to be the go-to law firm for our clients and establish relationships with them. So in essence, whatever legal issue that they have, if it's a weight on their shoulders, we want to take that weight off their shoulders and help them. If it's something that we in our firm and our attorneys can't help them, then we also go to our colleagues and we find them someone who can. But our main areas of practice are real estate law, corporate law, as well as commercial litigation. So anything having to do with contracts, landlord, tenant, any types of, there's a myriad of things with real estate that we can help them with, as well as any type of contractual agreement, asset purchase agreements when someone's buying a property, when someone's selling it and there's an issue and there's liens. Sometimes there's issues with probate, so like heirs in there that it needs to be taken care of to sell a property. There are foreclosures, and then we also handle any type of business disputes. So I like to call them like a partnership divorce.
Okay.
So when partners or members of an LLC have part ways, we also help with that as well.
Okay, so really does everything. And not just residential, but I heard you say commercial, corporate, so it does a myriad of different services. You also do owner finance.
Yes, so we help a lot of our clients that need owner financing, especially when there's a situation where they're unable to get any type of traditional loan. Mm-hmm. So if they come to us, generally they already have a seller, a buyer, they already have the terms that they want to use, and we draft all the paperwork in-house with our attorneys and our staff, and then they come in, we do the closings in the office, and we handle it all from A to Z. Of course, they don't get title insurance like a title company. That's the only caveat, but the clients are usually very happy with our help with the closings in those matters.
So for any of you out there who want more questions about anything that we talk about, whether it's having to do with commercial real estate, owner financing, and what Ms. Luna can do for you, I will be leaving her contact information with this video, and so you're more than welcome to reach out to her, or you can ask me and I'll send you over to her as well. But I do get a lot of questions about owner financing. As realtors, I know a lot of you out there do also get questions about that, and you never know who to go to. This is the person to go to. If you are a buyer and you've been denied a loan and you don't see any other way to purchase a house, call Ms. Luna. She can give you another option. So with that being said, you also do wills, trusts, and you said you do refer out, but like wills and trusts, you say you do that as well?
We do handle that in-house. We handle wills and we handle trusts, and we help different clients in different situations, whether it be a special needs trust, if they have children, young children, or if they have a daughter or a son who is not good at managing money.
Yeah.
A lot of times clients want to make sure that their money doesn't go to waste in like a year. So we set up different types of structures, and typically trust is the best vehicle for that. And we also speak Spanish. I'm fluent in Spanish. One of the other attorneys is fluent in French, and several other attorneys speak a little bit of Spanish, but I just want to let people know for our Hispanic community, our French community, any type of Latinos, if we can be of assistance, hablamos español, so give us a call.
That's a plus. And for wills, I know a lot of people, and especially in the Latino community, that they don't really find a need for wills, but you'd be surprised. They are very useful, and they are really good to consider, and call and talk to Miss Luna and get her viewpoint. But wills, I have a will. And I think you're supposed to get it renewed, or you're supposed to look at it maybe every 4 to 5 years, so to speak, and then redraft it if you need.
So basically what we tell our clients is that every time that they have a life-changing event, that can be a marriage, a divorce, a baby, things like that, any big life-changing event, that is the right time to update your will. But definitely everyone should have a will. If you own a house, if you have assets, if you have anything like that, then you definitely need a will. And it's not as complicated of a process if it's just, you own a house, you have some cars, and you have a couple of assets, and you have your kids. It's a very simple process, actually, a lot more than many people believe.
Yes. So with all the services that Ms. Luna does offer, what are some reasons that are more common that you've been hired for?
Well, most of the time, what we get hired for are after there's already a legal dispute. So I always advise clients to give us a call when we can help prevent litigation, because once they're already in litigation, where it's something where we have to file suit, or they get sued and we have to defend them from a lawsuit, then it's a lot more expensive. And we like to keep our clients' costs reasonable and as low as we can.
I like that.
And in order to do that, we always recommend that they practice what we call preventative law. So we like to help them on the front end. Come in and help us, we'll draft some contracts for you. It's so much more inexpensive on the front end than on the back end. After litigation has started, then you have to deal with experts, with court costs, with hearings, with motions and discovery, and nobody wants to be caught up in a 1 to 2 year litigation process that is not going to be the best results for the client. For us, as a local Houstonian, I was born and raised in Houston. I love the Houston community. I'm very involved. I like to help my community and help them understand that we're here for them, and we're here for their needs and their interests. And sometimes those interests are different from the ones of the attorneys, but the client comes first, and we always put their needs first. And so typically if there's we can do like a financial planning sort of situation where we tell them up front, okay, this is how much the range would cost for this type of service. And many times they're surprised because they say, wow, I thought it was going to be, a lot more expensive. And like I said, if you prevent, it's much better to do that. And we always keep our clients' needs in mind. That's the most important.
And that's good. And I think that's something that a lot of people may not go to an attorney for because they feel like they're just going to be milked out of a lot of money. So it's refreshing to hear an attorney. By the way, those of you who are just checking in, I'm here with Ms. Brie Luna. She's a real estate attorney. She helps in all aspects of real estate, corporate, residential, commercial. She does other services as well. So we're just getting a little bit of insight as to what she can help you. So preventative law, I love it. And then saving you money, looking out for your best interest. Love it even more. So I guess what would be a range of how much you do charge?
Okay, so we have different types of setups for different client needs. Of course, we represent corporations, but that doesn't mean that we are not going to take just as seriously our clients that are individuals. They're all important to us, and we have several attorneys to be able to handle it. So if I'm out of town or one of the other attorneys is out of town, there's always people here in the office. So we have different ranges, anywhere from flat fees for certain matters to hourly rates. Typically litigation involves hourly rates. That's usually how that works. But we can always set up payment plans for our clients as long as we really see that they have a need, that they're in danger, maybe sometimes losing their home or losing their business or losing an important asset. That's their livelihood. They work very hard for. That's something that they're going to leave their children. Then we like to help them. Basically, we're problem solvers. So we're here to solve your problems, whatever those are. Take that weight off your shoulders. Let us handle it. We'll hold your hand the whole way through it. And any questions that you have, there's always someone here, friendly faces to assist you. We have a 48-hour email policy, so we return emails within 48 hours. We definitely are mindful and sensitive to our clients' needs. And if they're calling the office, it's important to them, and we want to be there.
Okay, well that's refreshing to hear. And what's the best way to reach you?
Okay, They can call us at 713-364-6510, or they can reach us at info@l2legal.com, or they can email me at bluna@l2legal.com.
Okay. And then next week, they are launching...
So we're launching all of our social media platforms next week. We do have a website, www.l2legal.com, but we're revamping it. We're really excited. We are doing a lot of changes, and we're going to be also launching all of our social media platforms, which is going to include Facebook, Vimeo, YouTube channel, as well as an RSS feed for our bi-weekly newsletter that's going to be going out. So if anyone wants to sign up, you can go to our website to subscribe, and LinkedIn as well.
Wonderful. And knowledge is power, and what they're doing is providing a lot of knowledge to you up front, and then also making it easy for you to contact them if you do need any help with whatever real estate needs you have, or wills and trusts and purchase agreements, commercial litigation, anything that you might need in that realm. They're here to help. So I will be posting her information to this video. If you yourself may not need any of these services, but if you know someone that does, I'll be publishing this video, so just share it on to them, and they can always, more than welcome, ask me any questions on how to get a hold of Miss Luna or contact her directly. I'll also be, once the social platforms become available next week, I'll post them up on my Facebook page too, and just help everyone connect with our real estate attorney guest speaker here, Miss Brie Luna. So with that said, thank you so much. Kimberly says hi.
Hi.
Yes. So with that said, thank you so much for joining us today. Again, if you have any questions, I will be publishing this. You can ask them away in the comment section, and Miss Luna will be looking at that and can answer them for you. So thank you for joining me this Tuesday. I'm here for any of your real estate needs, referrals, and helping you find the right people that you need to get things done in your real estate life. Until next week, thank you again. Bye.